Okay, so everything is okay. Okay, hello everyone. Today I will focus on, look here very carefully. First of all, if you see, today I will focus on domain. Okay, so what do you mean by domain? Domain means for which value of x. Suppose that y this be equal to f of x. Okay, and that value is whatever. Suppose that this one is written gx plus px. Okay, f of x is basically gx means suppose that here under root x and this one is root x plus 1. According to definition of domain, domain say for which value of x the whole function is defined. Okay, what do you mean? Means for which value of, according to question say, definition, according to definition, for which value of x the whole function is defined, means this root x is defined if x is greater than or equal to 0, and this one is defined if x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Clear or not? So you can say according to this one, sir, x from close interval 0 to infinity, and according to this one, sir, x is greater than or equal to minus 1. It means according to this one say close interval 1 to infinity. Clear? After that, if you see, it means, and actual definition say for which value of x the both function, this one and this one are defined. So we are using line curve method. According to line curve method, here minus 1 and here 0, here plus 1, okay, whatever. So minus 1 to infinity means this portion, and 0 to infinity means from here to here. Okay, so which one is a common part of these two? So this one. So you can say that actually domain is from close interval 0 to infinity is the right answer. I hope so understand or not. So that is domain. Okay, so common part of these two. I hope so understand. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Sir, I am not understand. Please explain, then definitely I will explain. If anyone say, sir, I'm not okay, so don't worry. Comment it. Okay. Clear? Now, after that, I will focus on next problem. If everyone is okay. Now, after that, I will take another problem also. Visibility is okay. Now, I will take next problem. Next problem is, look, f of x is under root x minus 2 plus under root x plus 5. Everyone can find the answer. After that, I will do. Okay. First of all, everyone can find the answer. Find out domain of the given function. Okay. Our target. What about domain of the given function? Everyone can find the answer, and after that, I will do. What about the exact answer? Okay. Good. Everyone can try. Someone says, sir, -5 to 2. Okay, good. Nice try, nice try. Nice try. Look, how can do? First of all, according to definition of domain, say domain means for which value of x the whole function is defined. Okay, means first of all focus on this part, and after that we have focus on this part. Clear or not? Okay. So simply look, first part, this one you can say that x minus 2 is greater than equal to 0. Then this one is defined, and this one is if x plus 5 is greater than equal to 0. So that part is defined. Okay. Now next, so you can say that x is greater than 2, and according to this one say x is greater than -2, greater than equal to -5. Okay. Now after that you can say that, sir, close interval 2 to infinity. According to this one say from -5 to infinity. Clear or not? Okay. But according to definition, domain means for which value of x the whole function is defined. Means we are using line curve method. Okay. So here -5, here 0, and here 2. Okay. So -5 to infinity. So first one say -5 to infinity. Sorry. From here to -5 to infinity. Okay. And this one said 2 to infinity. Okay. 2 to infinity. That part. So common part of these two, this one, it means basically you can say that finally domain is domain. So final answer say domain means if x is greater than 2 to close interval 2 to infinity is the right answer. Okay. I hope to understand or not. So domain is finally from close interval 2 to infinity is the right answer. If anyone faces any doubt, then comment it. Sir, I am not understand whatever be your queries. Definitely I will resolve. Okay. Okay. If anyone faces any doubt at any step, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step. Definitely I will resolve your queries. Okay, someone say, sir, intersectionality of Dr. Diaz. Right. Okay, I hope so understand. I hope so understand. Okay. Now, I will take another problem. If everything is okay, then I will take another problem also. Everything is understandable. So now I will take another problem also. I will remove first of all. Okay. So look, I will change this one. Simply f of x is equal to 1 upon under root 4 minus x plus under root x minus 2. Our target, find out domain of given function. Our target, what about domain of given function? Here y is basically 4. Okay. I hope you understand our target. What about domain of that function? Everyone can try, then after that I will do. Okay. First of all, everyone can try. Then after that I will do. Okay. Come on, everyone. Someone says, sir, 4 to 2. Someone says, sir, 2 to 4. Don't worry, try, because of, if you try, then you can understand, more understand. Okay. So how can try? First query, sir. Simply, domain means for which value of x the whole function is defined. Okay. Okay. So first of all, look this part, and after that this part. Clear? Now, first part is defined if 4 minus x is greater than 0. Very simple. And this one is defined if x minus 2 is greater than equal to 0. Clear or not? Why here use only 4 minus x is greater than 0? Because of, if here whatever gx is defined only if that part is greater than 0, not equal to 0. If not use here equal to 0. Why? Because of if this function equal to 0, it means 1 by 0 is infinitive. Okay, that's why not defined. So our target, if 4 minus x is greater than 0, that function is defined. Otherwise, if 4 minus x is equal to 0, so not defined. Okay, so that's why we have taken only 4 minus x is greater than 0. I hope so understand. If you understand, so no problem. If you, okay, look. So next target, if multiply minus, then this one is minus 4 plus x greater than 0. So x is greater than how much? 4. From here, x is greater than equal to 2. Okay, so according to definition, here x greater than 4 means from open interval 4 to infinity, and this one from close interval 2 to infinity. Clear? I hope you understand. Now, after that, we are using line curve method. Okay, here 4, okay, zeros, making zeros, and 2, here 2 dot, because of equal to. So 2 to infinitive, simply here 2 and here 4. So 2 to infinity means here to here, and now 4 to open interval 4 to infinity means from here to here. Okay, so which part is common part? This one. So you can say domain is open interval 4 to infinity. Okay, so final answer from, you can say that this one is the right answer. This is domain. This is domain. Clear or not? Make it. If anyone faces any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. Clear? If anyone face any doubt at any step, okay, definitely I will discuss again. I hope so understand. Okay, if any queries related to that question, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, if any queries related to that question, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, now I will focus on next problem. Look, next problem, f of x is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 plus root x. This question is more easy. Everyone can try. After that, I will do. What our target? What about domain of the given function? Okay, our target. What about domain of the given function? Function is that 1 upon x minus 2 plus root x. So how can find the value of, not value of the x, basically domain of given function. Our target, find out domain of the given function. Everyone can find the answer and comment it. What about that exact answer of that question? Okay, come on everyone. Everyone can do it. This question is more easy. Take 2 minutes. Okay, I will solve this question after 2 minutes. Okay, before 2 minutes, everyone can do. Someone said 2 to infinitive. How can say? Wait, I will check. Don't worry. What about the exact answer of that question? Come on, everyone. Okay, come on. Everyone can do it. I will resolve after 2 minutes. Come on, everyone. So 0 greater than 0 to infinitive except plus 2. Okay, I will check. Don't worry. Don't worry, everyone can try. 1 minute done. Remaining 1 minute. Okay. Everyone can try. Good. Sir, x is not equal to 2. Yes, right. X is not equal to 2. From plus minus infinity to plus infinity, add. Oh, no. Try again. check your mistakes. What's the mistake from your side? Okay. Come on, everyone. Come on. Very simple. This question is very simple basically. If you see this part, first of all, focus on this part, and after that, this part. Okay. First part is define if x minus 2 is not equal to 0. And this one says greater than equal to 0. No problem. This one is not defined at x this equal to, otherwise for all value of x. And this one say from 0 to infinity. Clear? This one says, sir, from minus infinity to plus infinity except 2. Okay. So common part of these two, simply if you use linear line curve method, so this one is a 2 and this one is a 0. So 0 to infinity, first you can say that 0 to infinity except, not except, add 2. So domain is basically, you can say that from close interval 0 to infinity, not except 2. Clear or not? Make it. I hope so understand. If any queries, then comment it. I will discuss again. If any queries, so domain is from close interval 0 to infinity except 2, not except 2. Okay. I hope so understand. Clear? Now, after that, I will take another problem. Problem is interesting or not? Next one, f of x is equal to 1 upon under root x plus 2 and here root x. Everyone can try. What about the exact answer of that question? Okay. Our target, find out domain of the given function f of x is 1 upon under root x plus 2 plus root x. So our target, what about domain of the given function? Everyone can find the answer. Okay. I will written here. I give the sum option x from minus 2 to infinity. Second option minus 2 to infinity. Okay, not except 0. Third one minus 2 to infinity, not except 0. And last one, none. So which option is the correct option? Okay. Everyone can find the answer and comment it. Which option is the right option? Okay. Which option is the right option? . everyone can find the answer and comment it. Which option is the right option? Okay. Clear? Which option is the right option? First, second, third, or fourth? Most of the persons say 50-50, basically say B and C. 5% person say, sir, B is the correct option, and 8% say, sir, C is the correct option. Don't worry, everyone can try and recheck your answer. Okay, very carefully. Which one is the correct answer? Okay. 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 Again, C. Ron Belvin say C. C. Okay, don't worry. I will check which option is the correct option. Okay, look. Now, according to definition, first we have focus on this part, and after that, this one. Okay. I know that here, first part is defined if x plus 2 is greater than 0, and second part is defined if x is greater than equal to 0 because under root, that's why. And in numerator. After that, first part say x is greater than equal to -2, and this one say from close interval 0 to infinity, and this one from -2 to infinity. Clear? After that, we are using line curve method. -2 to infinity. Okay, and this one says 0 to infinity, so 0 to infinity. Okay, I hope you understand. So common part of these two, this one from close interval 0 to infinity, so basically none. D option is the correct option, not first, second, or third. Basically, fourth option, none is the correct option from close interval 0 to infinity. I have to understand or not? Okay. Interesting question. This question is very interesting. Yes or no? Comment it. Yes or no? Okay. I hope so everyone can understand why D is the correct option. Because of x is defined from close interval 0 to infinity. That's why. Okay. Now, next problem. Next one is f of x this is equal to under root here x minus 2 plus 1 upon x plus 2. So our target, what about domain? First option x from minus 2 to infinity. Second option 2 to infinity. Third option none. So which option is correct option? Everyone can find the answer and comment it. Which option is the correct option and why? Okay, this question is very interesting. I hope so everyone can enjoy this class. Comment it, which option is the correct option and why. First option or second option or third option. Come on everyone. Sir, D. Why you are afraid? D. Try. Most of the person says a D. Not D. D is not available. It's C. Oh, C. Okay. Yes. Try. Again try. Good. Which option is the correct option? Okay. I hope so understand. Question is clear. Visibility is okay. F of x this equal to under root x minus 2 plus 1 upon x plus 2. So basically our target, what about domain of the given function? What about domain of the given function? Okay. So how can do this? Very simple. Most of the persons say B part. 19%, 94% persons say sir B part. Okay, now none. Why you say none? Near about 5% say none. Everyone can check. Why none? Recheck again yourself. Why say none? Okay, look. Don't worry. I will do. After that, you can check. Very simple question. First one, if x minus 2 is greater than equal to 0. So you can say that x is greater than 2. And this one is not equal to, otherwise defined for all. Okay. So according to this one, close interval 2 to infinity. According to this one, minus infinity to plus infinity except 2. So common part of these two is how much? Simply simply 2 to infinity. Open interval 2 to infinity. So again, none is the correct option. Okay? Clear or not? You can write now simply open interval from 2 to infinitive. Not exact this. Sorry, here minus 2. No. Sorry, silly mistake. Here minus 2. Okay, basically here x plus 2. So a silly mistake from my side. Okay, yeah. So here not minus 2. Clear? So common part of these two, simply this one same. Here minus 2 and here plus 2. So 2 to infinitive like that one. And here minus infinitive plus infinitive. So simply this part. So which option? B is the correct one. 2 to infinitive. Close interval 2 to infinitive is the right answer. So domain is close interval 2 to infinitive is the right answer. I hope so understand. If anyone not understand, then comment it, sir. I am not understand. Whatever. Say whatever your queries, you can comment it. Definitely I will discuss. Okay. So final answer domain is from close interval 2 to infinitive is the right answer. Okay. If any queries, then comment it. If no queries, then I will give the homework. F of x is equal to root x minus 2 plus under root x plus 2. So everyone can find the answer basically. What about domain? First option, minus 2 to plus 2, close interval. Second one. And last one, none. So which option is the correct option? Everyone can find answer and comment it. This one is a homework problem. And if any query is related to domains, then comment it. Definitely I will take. So today class is over. Tomorrow I will take domain based problem, difficult problem basically. If any queries, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. So thank you very much for joining us. And everyone can give the feedback. Are you feel comfortable this class or not? Okay.